When was the last time you actually laughed with a friend or a loved one till your stomach actually began to hurt? When was the last time you spent a weekend doing everything that you always like to do to rejuvenate yourself? If your life ended tomorrow, would you regret not doing something? If this was the last day of your life, would you spend it the way you are spending today? Ask anyone who has ever come close to death, and they will tell you most of what they thought about nearing their end is always to do with, I wish I could have done this. I wish I could have done that. I wish I could have become this. Whether you succeed or not in your life, whether you flourish or not in your life, whether you forgive or not in your life, that is always in your hands alone. You are the single biggest influence in your life, and nobody else or what they do has anything to do with it. Your journey begins with a choice to get up, a choice to let go and forgive, a choice to smile no matter what, a choice to step out, and a choice to live fully. I really hope you make these choices for yourself. This is Dr. Karishma Ahuja wishing you all the very best. Namaste.